In order to create a bibliography in APA style in the 6th edition, you must first create a new page in your Microsoft Word 2010 document. So scroll to the bottom of the paper and click past the last line. Click the Insert tab and then click Page Break. Notice that your page automatically has the header you set up previously. Center the cursor on the page. Then type the word References. Hit the Enter key once and align the text back to the left again. Do not bold the word References. If you have formatted your citations using citation software, copy and paste those into your reference list now. If you have not, create your references at this time. One note on citation software: do not use Microsoft Word to create your references. Several elements will be missing in your citations and you will have to go back and fix them. It is not worth the time. Now, reformat your citations to look like the rest of your paper. Highlight the entire section of citations. Expand the paragraph options. First, let's make sure the spacing is set to double. Second, we change the indentation, special, to hanging, and click OK to close the paragraph options. Next, change your font to New Times Roman and the font size to 12 point. Make sure your references are in alphabetical order. As you can see here, these citations are already in alphabetical order. AR, then AS, then CO, OM, ON, and finally WI. Microsoft Word is set to automatically enable any hyperlink into text. However, for APA-style references, URLs should not be hyperlinked. To disable the hyperlinks, right-click the hyperlink and choose Remove Hyperlink. For example journal article, book, website, and other citations, go to libguides.unco.edu/APA.